Today's topic is demand and quantity demand. What is means of demand and what is means of quantity demand? Demand means a defined demand. Demand refer to a different possible quantity of a commodity which are bought by consumer, the consumer a different possible price. What is means of demand? Demand refers to a different possible quantity of a commodity which are bought by the consumer at different possible prices. It is called demand. What is means quantity demand? We should only one word, different possible. Not different possible, only specific. Specific. Change this one. Baki same to same, which are bought by the consumer at different possible price. इसे कट करके only लिखेंगे specific price. So what it means quantity demand? Quantity demand refer a specific quantity of a commodity which are bought by the consumer at a specific price. It is called quantity demand. Next topic is demand schedule curve. What is means of demand schedule curve? Demand schedule is a table. So different possible quantity which are bought by a consumer at different possible price. It is called demand schedule. When this schedule mentioned on a graph, it is called curve. So there are two topics are mentioned in this board. First one, individual demand. Individual demand schedule and curve. Same definition. Individual demand schedule is a table showing, refer a different possible quantity of a commodity which are bought by a consumer at different possible price. It is called individual demand schedule. Schedule means the table. When this schedule measured on a graph, it is present on graph, it is called curve. Now I am going to mention table. This is a price. This is a demand, यानी कि quantity. 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 20, 30, 40. It is schedule. It is called demand schedule. This one change into graph. Present on graph, it is called curve. This is a price. This is a quantity. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called demand. It is called individual demand. Second one, market demand schedule and curve. Same definition. Market demand schedule is a table showing a different possible quantity of commodity which are bought by all consumer at different possible prices. It is called market demand schedule. This is a table. This table show in on graph. It is called curve. There are two consumers. A consumer, B consumer, or this is a market demand. A consumer schedule, price, quantity, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. Second one, price and quantity, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50. When we add A and B, so this is a market price, market demand, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10 and 20, 30, 20, 30, 50, 30, 40, 70, 40, 50, 90. A consumer demand, B consumer demand, or this is a market demand. When we plus both A and B, then we will find market demand. This tables can be shown on graph, that is called curve. First A, B and market demand. A demand, B demand, or A market demand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. This graph. This is a B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Only 50, sorry, only 50. So 1 by 20. This is a B demand. When we use both, then it is called market demand. 1, 2, 3, 4. $30, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 30, 50, 70, 90. This is a market demand. So today's topic is finished. Demand and quantity demand. Define what it means for demand, what it means quantity demand. The demand schedule and curve, same definition of demand schedule. Schedule का means table, only table. बाकी same to say different possible quantity which are sold by, which are bought by a consumer at different possible quantity at different possible prices. Same, only change one word, table. फिर individual demand schedule, फिर market demand schedule, define plus table और plus ग्राफ पर इसका मेंशन करना है पेपर पर. तो दिस इज लास्ट टॉपिक. सो हैव ए नाइस डे. थैंक यू.